Tired of your Quicken account balances not matching reality when you move money around? Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money between accounts in Quicken, so you can keep everything accurate and up to date. There are two main ways to do this. First, let's look at using the transfer function. In the account register, locate the transaction entry area. Instead of selecting a category, click on the transfer button, or the transfer field. If available, a list of your other Quicken accounts will pop up. Select the account you're transferring the money to. For example, if you're moving funds from checking to savings, select your savings account. Enter the amount you are transferring, make sure the date is correct, and add a memo if you wish. For example, savings deposit. Click enter to record your transaction. Now, let's look at the second method, which involves manually entering the transaction. Go to the account where the money is coming from. In our example, that's the checking account. In the category field, type in open square bracket, followed by the name of the account you are transferring to. So, you would type. Quicken will recognize this as a transfer to the savings account. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money between accounts in Quicken using both methods. Choose whichever method you prefer to keep your finances organized and accurate. Subscribe for more Quicken tips and tricks.